Hey everyone! So the next thing we're going to want to do is put some things on our walls. Specifically, I would say pictures would be the most likely thing to put on the wall. Now normally a picture frame is the same shape as the wall, rectangular, square, whatever it might be. But they're going to have the same effect visually as these walls do, where it looks like they're getting smaller on the ends. So we're going to need to use some trapezoids on these walls. But this wall, we're looking at it straight on. A square picture would still look square. So I'm going to insert a rectangle by going to Insert Shapes, just like we did before, rectangle. I'm going to put it on the board here. There we go. So it's a big picture there. If I want, I can make some small pictures like that. Maybe have it look like I have a few pictures on the wall if I wanted to fill them each separately. I'm just going to do one big picture for now, though. Oops, whoops, moved the wrong item. I'll stretch that out. But now I need to fill it with my picture. So just like I filled all these walls with color, I'm going to Shape Fill, Picture. It's going to pull up this menu. I'm going to click Work Offline because I have the picture in a file. So I'm going from File, choose this one here, double-clicked it, and then it fills that shape with my picture. I think using an outline here is a really good idea because it gives it the look like it has a frame around it. If you give it some more thickness, and the shape effects, if you give it one of these, has some of that look to it. So feel free to play around with those. You just place it wherever you like on the wall, and then you got a picture hanging on the wall. If you were to do it on one of these side walls, though, it would need to have that trapezoid shape. So I'm just going to copy this shape right here and make it smaller. If I hold Shift while I make it smaller, it keeps all of the proportions pretty much the same. So now I have this. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. See, I would like to have the lines still be pretty parallel to my top of the wall, but they don't have to be. It might not be going as far back. So whatever you think looks realistic, feel free. And I'm going to do the exact same thing again. Shape Fill, Picture. Now I'm going to click on this little thing right here right now, just to show you the full shape formatting menu. You've seen this before. It's got this gradient setting right now. We're going to change it to Picture. And it automatically fills in the last picture I chose. Problem is, it filled in with a picture and it looks sideways because, if you remember, this trapezoid, when I originally drew it, looked a little bit more like this. The short side was on the top, and I had to rotate it 90 degrees. Now, my picture has now been rotated 90 degrees. So I can go into my shape options right here. And if I click on that item again, I need to delete this. Click on this item. I get Format Picture now, because it's filled with a picture. If I click on the Fill options, shape options right here, go down to the bottom, it says Rotate with Shape. This is the bottom of the picture menu. Rotate with Shape. If I unclick that, it puts it back to the normal right side up and doesn't rotate the picture along with the shape. So now it looks like that picture is in the frame. I'm going to give it the same outline. I'm going to use a trick I call Format Painter. If you click on this, if I'm selected on here, I will dip my paintbrush in that format, and I click something else, and I paint it. Now, that changed my thing, my rotated shape. I just need to click that again, and it fixes it. So right there, it's the same picture, but you see it's two different effects. If you feel like you need to stretch it out to make it look a bit more realistic, maybe it's closer to you. Wherever you want to put it. You can put one on this side as well. Same rules apply. Give it a try. Pick some pictures off the internet. You have to save them. You can't just copy and paste. But click around and try to hang some stuff on your walls. You can put more than one picture on a wall if you like, or you can just put one like I did. Click around. Have fun. Try the next video whenever you feel ready.